This course is designed to provide trainees with the knowledge and skills necessary to leverage artificial intelligence technologies in digital marketing to increase sales. The course covers topics such as the basics of AI, how to use AI to analyze and predict data, and how to integrate artificial intelligence into various digital marketing strategies, such as search engine optimization, social media marketing, and email marketing. Trainees will also learn how to use AI-powered tools and platforms to automate and optimize their digital marketing campaigns. By the end of this course, all participants will have a solid understanding of how AI can be used in digital marketing and how it can help them increase sales and revenue. We will break down 15 of the best AI platforms out there right now to provide a better understanding of how the best AI tools function right now.